Concerning doubt, despair, when you're dealing with hardships, none of the things, the Muslim should know that if Allah, as the hadith says, if Allah loves his servant, he tries him. If Allah loves his servant, he tries him. He tries him with his wealth, tries him with his health, tries him with his children, tries him with his wife, so forth and so on. That's one way of looking at it. That it may be a sign and indication if you're practicing the religion, you're a balanced person, you're not fooling yourself practicing the religion, but you're really not practicing, but you're really a person who's really trying to practice the religion. Allah gives you those trials and tribulations. It could be because he loves you. Another issue is, all of that is kafara, it's expiation. Any hardship people go through, sickness, loss of wealth, being pricked by something, all of those things are a way of getting yourself cleaned up. Lastly, I would say, people who have hardships, and we all go through these things, it can be something that you think is a bad thing. عَسَى أَن تَكْرَهُ شَيْئًا وَهُوَ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ. You hate something that's good for you. When people go through hardships and they have problems, they turn to Allah, and they tend not to forget Allah. And if they have the favors of Allah, like a little baby or something like that, they know Allah can take their baby at any time. So they do things that are wrong, so they say, look, Allah can take my baby, I have to stop doing this thing, or I have this health issue, so forth and so on. So when you have these kinds of problems, it's a way of keeping you connected to Allah. If Allah keeps giving people, as the Prophet said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, لو رأيت الله يعطي الرجل على معصيته فاعلم أنه استدراج. If you see Allah giving someone rizq, khair, ni'mah, and the person is disobedient, he said, then just know that is istidraj. He's getting roped to hang his out. So those three things I would say. The difficulties that you're going through, keep you connected to Allah, making dua to Allah. Your focus, your soul, connected to Allah, inshallah.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.